Unemployment. Among current problems of India, problem of unemployment is very crucial. Poverty originates due to unemployment. This is a long-term problem and has got deep rooted in economy. Maximum countries of the world are facing problem of unemployment. How? What is the meaning of unemployment right now? So, meaning of unemployment. One who is adult, whose age is between 15 to 60 years, who is ready to work at the prevalent market rate of wages, has energy and qualification to work, who is in search of work but is not getting work, such a person is said unemployed. Such type of condition in group is called unemployment. Such unemployment which has to be faced mandatory is called unemployment against his wish. So unemployment is compulsory. It is called against wish. If people who demand wages more than the prevalent market rate, who are not in age group of 15 to 16, who are handicapped, weak, sick or old, lazy, housewife, those who are not willing to work in spite of being capable are not considered as unemployed. But they don't wish to work. They don't wish to earn. So they are not unemployed. After all, they are doing nothing. Okay? There are total 6 types of unemployment. First is seasonal unemployment. Due to lack of irrigation facility, irregularity in rainfall, and lack of alternative employment for farmer have to remain unemployed up to 3 to 5 months in India. This is called seasonal unemployment. Means as per the employment in season. As per season, they got work, but sometimes they don't get any work because there is no season for their business or work. Second is frictional. When new technology arises in industries, it takes place instead of old technology. Laborers remain unemployed for the same time. Only this is called frictional. After all, this is frictional because it is change of technology only. Structural. Indian economy is backward and orthodox. Social backwardness, traditional orthodoxy, customs, illiteracy and lack of structural facility are responsible for structural unemployment. Discuss unemployment. Sometimes more than required number of workers are involved in an occupation. Even if a few laborers are removed from work and no decrease in recorded in total production. So these extra laborers are said to be unemployed in disgust way. Now industrial unemployment. In the industrial field, if anyone has to remain unemployed for short term or long term due to changes taking place in industrial sector, such a situation is called industrial unemployment. Educated unemployment. Educated means a person who is educated, like at least past 10th standard, means SSC. If a person has obtained at least secondary education, 10th standard, or degree and is unemployed, he is called educated unemployed. So this is the type of unemployment. Proportion of unemployment in India. This topic is only for objectives are there. There is difference in state-wise condition of unemployment in India because of difference of unemployment exchange in registering the details of people interested in getting job. It is difficult to take out exact or approximate figure. Still on the basis of figure of Labor and Unemployment Ministry of India, the National Sample Survey NSS, we get an idea about comprehensive of unemployment. According to census counting of 2011, 116 million people were in search of employment, 32 million were uneducated, unemployed, and 84 million were large number 84 million were educated unemployed. Means they take at least secondary education and then after searching for job, but they don't get any work. Approximately 4.70 crore people of 15 to 24 age group were unemployed. Now, according to survey of Labor Bureau, 2013-14 rate of unemployment in India was observed to be 5.4%. In Gujarat, 1000 people, 5. This is wrong sentence, please cut it. In Gujarat, per 1000 people, 12 people are unemployed. In 2009-10, as per 1000 people, 34 persons, it means 3.4% were unemployed in urban area, while the rural area 16, it means 1.6% were unemployed. Ratio of educated unemployed was more in urban area. Rate of educated unemployment was more in urban, and women's rate is 7.7% who are searching for job but they don't get any type of job. In India, more employment has been witnessed in state of Sikkim, Kerala, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jammu Kashmir, Tripura, while ratio of unemployment in Himachal, Haryana, Karnataka, Chandigarh, Gujarat has remained low. Condition of unemployment in Gujarat is good and noteworthy. According to an estimation, 50% highly educated people are youth. 66% youth of world in India who are youth of 35 years of age live in India. If India want to become a superpower on the basis of youth, it will have to change unpleasant form of unemployment. So, just we have to talk about India's economy and also the youth. You are in youth 15 to 35, and this is the most important, that this youth must have power of knowledge, education, skills. If they don't have these all things, then India become weak. Sometimes we want to improve. We think that India should improve in more fields, but we can't. This is the main reason of education. Main reasons responsible for increasing unemployment in India are increasing in population, theoretical jnana, knowledge of theory only, lack of practical knowledge, lack of technological knowledge or skill, failure in providing complete employment, irregularity in rainfall in agriculture area, and more risk losing in interest in agriculture sector, improper irrigation facilities, lack of alternative employment. If there is no rainfall, then farmer should do anything more, but there is no alternative option, so they can't do anything during this time other than agriculture season. Weak condition of cottage industries, household industries and small scale industries, caste system, joint family system. Because of joint family, generally people do the familiar or heritage type industries or work. Then people are forced to follow traditional business or family business. Lack of courage to set up new business, flows in knowledge, skill, training and experience, immobility of labor. We cannot send our labor one place to another place easily. Flawless planning of labor, low growth rate of industrial development, less rate of saving tendency. Thus, decrease in rate of capital creation was there. New business in industry cannot be set up due to lack of investment. Now, efforts to reduce unemployment. Problem of unemployment is weakest link of our planning. This is the most weakest link in our planning, 5 years planning. So here poverty and unemployment are the two sides of the same coin. Both are interrelated also. Main reason for poverty is unemployment. This challenging problem has mainly affected educated youth. As a result, they lost attitude of interest towards studies. Negative effect on social and mental condition is seen. Sometimes they become depressed. They become disappointed psychologically. If they remain unemployed for a long time, they get involved in antisocial immoral activities like drug trafficking, illegal activity, robbery, recovery, ransom means bhai. Then we call bhai in Mumbai. Okay, this is totally illegal things, and this is against our society also. These immoral activities like drug trafficking, illegal activities, robbery, recovery, ransom, etc. Increase in social economical inequalities there also. Class discrimination begins, fall in living standard when price rise joins unemployment. Condition of poor and unemployed becomes more narrowing and pathetic. He turns towards narcotic drug or other addictions. Thus, unemployment has proved to be a deadly for individual, family, as well as our country. So now we study some points to the remedies or 2 points for reduce unemployment. How the government takes steps for reduce the unemployment. Number one, by aiming high goal, economic development of take it 10%. Please take 10%. 10% economical development per year, which is acceptable to all. Increase capital investment and opportunities of employment. New fields should be open for fast and balanced economic development, along with development in agriculture sector, small and household industries, cottage industries, etc. In order to increase employment, government has started giving economic help, education, open training center through different schemes. Now, government should lay stress on development of units using labor intensive method for production of consumer goods, which we required, and small cottage industries, gram udyog, handloom and handicraft skill. For it, encouraging policies should be implemented in the schemes. So, government can impose some new schemes for reduce unemployment. Third point is more number of people may be employed in rural area by less investing by developing new method at the rural level, in which more than one crop may be taken from the field in order to remove unemployment during the time when farmers are not engaged in agriculture, to bring new land under cultivation, arranging water and electricity for every field, small and big irrigation schemes, dam, check dam, pond, canals, tube well, activities of construction of road, activities related to agriculture, poultry, fishery, cattle rearing, dairy industry, program of afforestation. This only applied in rural area because they don't have lot of skills, they don't have education, so at that time they can do only this type of laborer work. Also, we can for this planning should be implement employment oriented, and employment opportunities should be increased in villages so that villagers get enough income and work in their own village, so they don't migrate towards the cities, and reduce the pressure or on demand of employment may be decreased. Encouragement or encouraging plantation agriculture, organic farming, dry farming, multi-cropping, giving vegetable and fruit farming. Importance should be given to improvement of quality of education in villages. In order to sustain human development in rural area, health, education, pure drinking water, nutritious food, electricity, roads, banking, insurance, internet, improvement in communication and entertainment, water harvesting activities, constructing permanent public property like bus stand or ST stand, development of local industries and encouraging them, adopting employment oriented programs should be undertaken. Now, qualitative life of rural people as well as result oriented improvement has been main objective. This type is the main objective. In the fifth point, in order to decrease educated unemployment and unemployment among youth like you, skills should be developed and unemployment should be provided as per the qualification. Such type of business oriented or technical education policy should be adopted which produce skilled artisans. Curriculums of schools and colleges should be such that satisfies the require of local industries. Such type of effort should be made by providing education and training to youth. Special skill may be developed in them. Quality improves along with production, employment increase and increase in income and improvement of living standard. They should be given assurance that they keep on getting unemployment, income becomes higher, and also they got employment. Sixth point, Labor Ministry of Indian governments and state government have implemented ambitious program like Tik Karo, Make in India, Skill India, Digital India to enhance knowledge, understanding, enthusiasm and work capacity of youth along with industrial development. For this educational and training program have been started to develop skill. Technical colleges and universities have been set up nationwide. They should provide education facility as per vocational curriculum and modern technology. Efforts are being made to fulfill requirements of employment through near curriculum in schools and colleges, vocational and technical education. At present, higher institute like IIT, Indian Institute of Technologies, and IIM are being established in the most of the state of our country. Like in Gujarat, we have IIT center in Gandhinagar and IIM center in Ahmedabad. Now most IIM point is seventh point. Planning of manpower. Short note. Planning of manpower. 4 marks. Okay. So this whole point is very important and also asked in previous papers of board examination. Government has opened new areas of employment to plan manpower. Lot of employment opportunities there in computer technology, information technology, pharmaceutical, business management, packing and processing, outsourcing, marketing, catering management, event management, office management, hotel management, share stock marketing, etc. So new curriculum has been set up in the university fulfilling local requirement. According to curriculum of education, training and teaching has been changed so that it may fulfill the requirement of job in future. At the end of acquiring education, short-term diploma or certificate courses have been started to fulfill the need of manpower, like courses of weaving, turning, spinning, plumbering, radio, TV, AC, mobile fridge, repairing. As a result of revolution in the field of automobile, electronic, computer science, genetic science, aerospace engineering, robot making, new courses have been started in order to produce skilled artisans. It means they have specific skill for their art. Now, engineers and technicians prepared from this syllabus. It is try to provide loan at less rate of interest to entrepreneur to start their own business under ticker Startup India for promoting a new business. Mutual coordination has been possible because of cooperation between local industries and training institutes, so that as per local requirement, supply of labor could be made for generating employment and place of white collar job they can got. Self-employment should be fostered with government's economical help. For this purpose, such an environment and proper strong structure be created in educational courses, or educational expenses become cheaper and admission become easy. So also all the people can be try for this admission because this is cheaper education, and also this education creates self-employed people. Self-employed means they are not getting direct job on table and chair, but they can work hard in each and every field, but they can also generate the income. Like computer engineering is self-generate income. Also AC, TV, mobile repairing. So these all things are generated by their own. Okay. Now it is necessary that new business industries should be set up for industrial growth and generating of new employment opportunities. Investment is essential along with development of skill, cooperation to increase entrepreneurship among the youth. In order to promote opportunities of self-employment, government has started many plans for providing of financial help at low rate of interest for small investment for various purpose to purchase, implement small margin, raw material or office furniture initially, along with help of selling produced goods. Effort have been started to provide technical and commercial knowledge. Managerial skills means it can manage their own business, help with the effort of bank. Economic help also provided for financial institutes. Economical easy loan facility, loan for business or loan to businessmen, and welfare for organization of women have been provided self-employment by setting up household industries. Thus, coming out of traditional business, a new form of member of family was prepared, which expanded the horizon of new business and industry sector. So, is it? So, employment exchange center work as a chain between unemployed and owner who were in search of such youth who were looking for employment, labor, worker or educational skilled, unskilled labor. This organization provides authentic information regarding registration of educated unemployed. If you are passing secondary level, and then you should write your name in this unemployment exchange. This place, the organization provide authentic information, so no fake information. This place and type of work, it gives guidance in choosing one's own career. This center provides sufficient information through magazines like Rozgar Karkirdi. It provides free service through Model Career Center or helpline number 1800-425-1514. Helps people to providing them important information, skill program, employment fair, etc. Till 2015, there were 947 employment exchange center in our country, but this number is very low. In which till 2012, 468.23 lakh unemployed had registered all over the country, while in Gujarat, 8.30 lakh unemployed had to register their names. Now the last point, very most important point, 4 mark, world labor market. When change of labor is there among nations of the world, it is called world labor market. If our laborers are goes to America or any other places, and also their labor comes here, but our labor are worker only and their labor are intelligent. They give us some intelligent informations like some software or some techniques. When laborers migrate from one country to another for employment, business training or higher education, it is called movement of labor at international level. Workout of brain power for educational knowledge, higher technical knowledge and skill development in search of more income, more facility, better job is brain drain or migration in international level. For more income, more facilities, some people goes to other country. This is migration. But other country accept only who has a very powerful intelligence. So our intelligent people goes to another place and we lost their knowledge. Because of increasing social status, migration to other countries due to permanent settlement. Okay, some people go to other country because of increasing social status. Recently, country-wise mobility of labor become popular in a noteworthy manner as a result of migration to other countries or due to permanent settlement of intelligent and talented people who have spent lot of money on them, facing a great flow of personalities having talent and intelligence, technical knowledge and scientific attitude. A result of globalization, liberalization, a new situation has started arising in our country. In the present time, demand for people having knowledge and skill in information technology communication technology, biotechnology, computer or medical has increased. Many countries are appointing such people who have special qualification and skill as trained expert laborers and experts. They adopt attractive tactic and practice with hyper. Industrial firms send their employees to foreign countries to obtain required qualification, require their knowledge and skill so that they can survive the competition. This is a part of international migration. Like country receives foreign exchange as a part of income due to migration of people to foreign countries for job. Sometimes they want to learn something and also company need this knowledge. So company also send the employee, you should go to foreign country, learn that points and come back. Because of flow of foreign money in our country in this way, problem of foreign exchange is solved to certain extent. So we can get more money from outside. This is the one type of our unemployment topic is completed. So now the end of this chapter number 70. Hello friends, I am Bhumir sir. Please મારી ચેનલ ભૂમિર સર એને સબસ્ક્રાઈબ કરો અને સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ 9th 10th 11th 12th ઇંગ્લિશ મીડિયમ ગુજરાતી મીડિયમ બંનેના ગુજરાતી સંસ્કૃત અને એસએસ ત્રણેય સબ્જેક્ટના વિડીયોઝ તમે જોઈ શકશો. ઓકે, આ ચેનલ પબ્લિકલી છે જેમાં કોઈ બીજા કન્ટેન્ટ્સ નથી, ઓનલી એજ્યુકેશન રિલેટેડ છે. સો પ્લીઝ દરેક જણ આ ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઈબ કરતા રહો અને નવા નવા વિડીયોઝ તમે જોઈ શકશો. તમારા બાળકોને અથવા તો ફ્રેન્ડ સર્કલમાં કોઈ પણ હોય એને પણ તમે આ વિડીયોઝ બતાવી શકશો. ઓકે, સો થેન્ક યુ ફોર ધીસ કોઓપરેશન. ઓકે, બાય.